Meow. Oink.
Oink. No.
Moo.
Yes.
With a moo moo here and a moo moo there. Here a moo, there a moo, everywhere a moo moo. Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a
dog.
No.
Cat.
It's a donkey.
It's a donkey?
Yeah.
Maybe it's a donkey. Yeah. Or horse. Donkey 是那个驴子。Very good, Zoe. Zoe is good. What does horse say?
马。
马说马 Really? I don't know. Let's see.
horse. E-I-E-I-O. What does a horse say?
I don't know.
Woof woof.
Woof woof? No.
Moo.
Moo.
Neigh.
Nay. You can say English. Nay. Nay. They say nay, nay here. Oh, say something bad. Nay, nay there. Nay here, nay there, nay everywhere. What?
Neigh, neigh here and a neigh, neigh there. Here a neigh, there a neigh, everywhere a neigh, neigh. Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a
Pig. Very good. What does pig say? Peter. Can you say oink? Oink, oink. Very good. Let's go.
a pig. E-I-E-I-O. What does a pig say? Quack.
Quack.
Tweet, tweet.
Tweet, tweet.
Oink.
Oink. Yeah.
An oink, oink here and an oink, oink there. Here an oink, there an oink, everywhere an oink, oink. Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a
Sheep.
E-I-E-I-O.
Everyone say sheep.
What does a
What does the sheep say?
Cluck, cluck.
Cluck, cluck.
Oink.
Oink.
Ba.
Ba.
With
Yes.
a ba-ba here and a ba-ba there. Here a ba, there a ba, everywhere a ba-ba. Old MacDonald